is very good performance. I sincerely hope that the core sector will continue to perform well. I'm very happy about the performance of electricity. Some other sectors have to pull their weight, but I hope that overall core sector performance will continue to be robust. I want to look at bank credit. Now, if you look at bank credit, gross bank credit has risen by 16.8% as at the end of August upon last August. So year on year, August upon last August, gross bank credit has increased by 16.8%. Of this, non-food credit has increased by 17%. This is fairly well distributed. If you look at the segments, credit to industry has increased by 17.3%, credit to the services sector by 18.4%, credit to the priority sector 16.6%, personal loans by 17.8%. So credit is fairly well distributed across sectors. Agricultural credit has increased by 12.1%, which is very satisfactory. I think the sharp rise in credit means that demand for credit is picking up, and if we maintain this level of demand, industrial activity in the services sector will show good results as we move forward. I had earlier spoken about stalled projects. Now there is good news on stalled projects. We have now a good database. The project monitoring group in the Cabinet Secretariat that was set up some months ago to assist the Cabinet Committee on Investment today has a portal which is tracking 344 projects. Now, issues relating to 99 projects entailing an investment of 3,67,826 crore have been resolved either at the PMG level or at the CCI level. Now, if you recall that the CCI itself was set up only in the month of March or April, and then it swung into action only about a month later, and then the pace picked up. In a matter of about 6 months, we've been able to unblock 99 projects with a total investment of 3,67,826 crore. This list is available. This can be made available by the DG. We have 99 projects, as I said, 3,67,826 crore. On agriculture, we estimate that this will be a very good year. The first advance estimates of Kharif food grains production shows that the output will be 10.3% higher than the first advance estimates of the last year. We compare the estimate with the corresponding estimate. Most of our reservoirs, in fact all of our reservoirs, are either full or nearly full. This augurs well for the Rabi crop also. So we believe that if the estimates of Kharif food production hold, and then with enough water, the Rabi crop also turns out to be good, this year will be a bumper harvest year. I have also numbers about the FDI and FII flows that have come in. Let's look at FDI. Numbers available up to August. We have $13 billion coming in as FDI. FII flows, as you know, were initially positive this year, then they turned negative in the month of July and August. But since then they have been positive in the last 2 months, and as a result, while overall it is still negative, we expect by the end of the year it will turn positive. The Reserve Bank announced 2 windows, FCNR-B and borrowing against Tier 1 capital. The windows were opened on September 10. The banks then began to mobilize these funds. As at the end of October, we have $13.3 billion coming in under these 2 windows. $8.457 billion under FCNR-B. I repeat, $8.457 billion. And borrowing against Tier 1 capital, $4.84 billion. A total of $13.3 billion, which is more than what we had anticipated. And the windows are open until November 30. So going by the rate at which the flows have come in, I would expect that the banks are able to mobilize on altogether about $20 billion before the end of November.